Hello everybody, what's up? In today's video we're going to figure out on this 2000 Toyota RAV4 why the blinker blinks fast. So currently, as you see, the light is not working, and on the inside it's blinking really fast. So today what we're going to try doing is we are going to try to get it fixed. So usually with that, it's got to be underneath here, and it's the light. As you can see here, currently the light is out already. We already have it popped out. The best idea is to have the wheel turned all the way towards that way, and it helps you so much in life. Trying to do this, like, seriously, it gives you so much more room. You're able to get to the front bumper with no problem. So as you saw there, I ran to the point where it can't move anymore. So now we are right here at the side. So now let's get to the light bulb. And as we look at the light bulb here, everything looks normal, everything looks good. Connection is perfect. So now what we gotta do is be careful not to harshly drop it here on the ground, because if you go like this, go on accident, like really, really hard, it'll break, and then you won't be able to get it. You'll have to get the same exact light, the number for the light that'd be on the side. Most likely, it'd be right there on the side, on this wall of it. So now what you gotta do is this connector that's right there. Pop your hand underneath here and work it in there until it's all the way in. And if it's not in, you're screwed. But if it is, perfect. So now, let's go ahead and try it out to see if it works perfectly. So just as I expected, it's not fixed. You know why? Let me know in the comment sections below this video why you know that it's not working. So let's see. So again, open this flap, go like this. Mine is just like this because we had to cut it off because it was hitting the tire. But now you come over here. See how it's easily just popping out? So now what you gotta do is put it back in the connector. Remember the way how it originally went. Go like that and go all the way in, and boom. Now go ahead and take a look to see if it works or not. And that is perfect. We did it. It works perfectly. Everything is fine. Now let's get it into the thing here. Make sure it's in there tight, so when you go to wash your car, you don't get any corrosion, So yeah, this right here is exactly what we're looking for. It went from not blinking to this. And just like that, guys, that's how you completely do a light change not a full light bulb change, you know. But I'm just saying, you know, for if you need, like, let's say it completely runs out and you know the light is completely burnt out, what are you gonna do? Well, you're gonna end up having to buy a brand new light. But first, you gotta go online, go to where you're gonna buy the light bulb from. Go to their website and make sure that they have the exact light bulb you're looking for. And yeah, make sure it's got the right number on it that the side does. And yeah. So thank you for sticking around for this 6-minute video. Soon more videos will be coming out on this channel. And also the Fixing and Gaming channel. It'll soon come out shortly. And make sure to go onto Discord and add me on Discord. It is, let's see. It is 999 World Monster number 6909. Make sure to add me on Discord and I'll gladly add you back. And on Snapchat, you can also get me on Snapchat. It is, let's see here. Sorry guys, I just haven't been on Snapchat a lot lately. And yeah, let's see. So, yeah, while I'm getting my Snapchat and my TikTok loaded, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and then hit the notification, and give me a big thumbs up on all my videos. And don't forget to subscribe. That's the main thing that I want, is a lot of subscribers for this. Okay, so, let's see. So, my Snapchat is ScatPackWorld999, all lowercase. And then for TikTok, let's see. Sorry guys, it's just, internet difficulties. But, yeah, thanks for sticking around for this basically 8-minute video. I'm glad that you guys have subscribed to me. That really means a lot. And when I get to 10 subscribers, I will do a poll on Discord for what you guys want to see, and I'll do it. So my Snapchat is, not Snapchat, TikTok is ScatPack_Gang999 Club. It has this logo, and it's got all these videos. Make sure to heart all of them and follow me. So, yeah, thank you. Alright guys, well, this is the end of the video right here. Thanks for sticking around for this video. Pretty soon there'll be some more content coming out to the channel. Like I said a few minutes ago, hit the post notifications, make sure they're turned on to all. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Until then, I will see you guys when I post another video or I go live. Till then, peace out.